Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to make header fixed or sticky in Divi theme in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in page, and then you see our header, and then scroll down. Header is no sticky. Back to dashboard. On left side you see Divi, and then you see theme option. So click on it. Now Divi theme options open, and now we are in general tab, and then you see fixed navigation bar. So currently disabled, so enable this, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see our header is sticky or fixed by enable option. Fixed navigation bar in theme option. Back to website and scroll down. So in this way you can make header sticky or fixed in Divi theme in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.